appellant wife challenged the judgment and decree of the divorce. The said judgment and decree was stayed by this honorable court, and mediation was conducted. Conciliation was conducted in presence in the video recording, and in that conciliation, no conclusive result was drawn out. My lordship, in the meantime, even though the husband was knowing that the stay has been granted by this honorable court, the husband has married again without informing or without taking any leave or anything, and against which we have filed this contempt petition bearing number 121 of 2024. They have filed their reply as well, and they have accepted this said contention. My lord, kindly see my annexure P3, C3.
Stay order.
Stay order is dated
Page number 13 of the said petition.
Page number
13, 1-3. Sorry. 16.
16 and 17. And again on 28/7/2022, that is annexure C2. On the last date of hearing, my lords were kind enough and directed the personal presence of the respondent.
Yes.
My lord, we have filed the reply.
What is your reply? He is not married.
No, my lord, he is not married. He is not legally married to the person they are alleging to be.
He is not legally married.
Yes, my lord. My lord, kindly peruse
So
my
he
reply.
illegally married her.
No, my lord. My lord, kindly peruse
Now
my
under the
reply.
new act, this is 376.
No,
Also
my lord,
promised to marry.
my lord, that is no allegation has been made on the part of the alleged wife.
My lords,
My lord,
kindly.
contempt petition per se is not maintainable. This is my contention, my lords. My lords, kindly peruse the order dated 15/9/2021 on the basis of which they have filed this contempt petition.
Yes.
My lord, the order says, heard on RA such and such, which is an application for temporary injunction with a prayer to restrain the respondent from entering into second marriage. The prayer is opposed by the counsel for the respondent, having regard to the nature of decree under challenge and the controversy involved in the matter. IA such and such is disposed of by staying the operation of divorce decree under challenge, which means there was no stay with subject to any second marriage which may be performed by the present.
Did he get married?
Yes, my lord.
When was the second marriage? What date?
My lord, this is what they allege, that second marriage has taken place in the year 2023.
30th of May 2023.
23, after 2 years.
Yes, my lords.
My lord,
After lapse of 1 year. And he was well aware of the fact that this judgment and decree has been stayed. And in their reply, they have never, not stated any particular thing that we have raised regarding the wedding invitation, that is annexure C9. C4 are the wedding photographs.
Is the appeal listed? That's also today. 11.1.
And the respondent was called for personal presence, and he is here present in the court.
Where was the direction for personal presence?
On the last date of hearing, Your Lordship.
on 10/7/2024.
It only said list along with the FA numbers.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Where was it saying that it will be personal presence was not directed?
In the contempt petition and the first appeal, it was directed, Your Lordship.
Yes, what does he want ultimately?
My lord, this will be finally heard since, my lord, I have not legally married this lady which they allege that I have married to. And that is my contention number
Be
one.
very careful in what you say. Because this statement can land him in trouble insofar as she is concerned.
My lord,
If you
My
have
lord-
to say that, then he can get in trouble. What does he want to do with her now?
my lord, the first appeal may be heard finally. The first appeal may be
Is the
heard.
possibility of a settlement?
Well, there is
Yes,
a
Lord.
chance if, because the circumstances have changed right now.
Settlement does not necessarily mean that they get together. Settlement means that they end their fight and separate peacefully. Settlement can be either way.
My lord.
Is he willing to settle? What does he do?
My lord, he is a government servant in railways.
Government servant.
Yes.
There goes his job also.
My lord, but
Contracting second marriage during subsistence of first itself is a crime.
my lord,
Ground for dismissal, disciplinary action. And he says, I performed the ceremony of marriage without the intention of marrying her. Another offense. He's in deep trouble. Tell him what does he want. Ask him what does he want to do. If he doesn't settle with her, he's in great
My
difficulty.
lord, he is paying the alimony amount.
Well, if any amount is not, no, he has to, either if she is willing to consider granting him divorce, then he'll have to settle her finally.
My lord, the decree of divorce was already granted in my favor. She filed.
It's been stayed, so there is no divorce granted.
Yes, my lord.
So that means they're legally husband and wife.
Yes, my lord. My lord, now in their contempt petition, they nowhere stated that in what way this contempt is maintainable and how the present respondent have willfully disobeyed the order of this court.
My lords, the order is before your lordships.
Mr. Rangdale,
Yes,
you're probably not understanding the impact of the action, his actions.
my lord.
He loses his job, he loses his liberty.
My lord. I'll
He
seek
gets to
instructions.
great difficulty. Ask him what does he want.
I'll seek instructions.
My lords, both the parties are present in the court today.
No, if they are willing to explore the possibility of a settlement, we can refer them to mediation if they want.
There is, it can be done if the husband is willing to do so. Because even I would like to think that there should be a amicable settlement between the parties.
What does the appellant do?
He's a government servant. Your Lordship. The appellant is a housewife. The wife is a housewife.
Is she
She is present in the court, Your Lordship.
willing to settle?
Yes, Your Lordship. If some amicable settlement is arrived, then fine.
Ask him, is he willing to consider settlement?
My lord.
Final payment, which करके, ask him.
Okay. May I-